Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your BYD HAN? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block houses fuses and relays that protect vital electrical components in your vehicle's engine compartment. These components may include headlights, starter motors, fuel pumps, and various sensors. Interior compartment fuse block. The interior compartment fuse block in a vehicle performs several important functions related to electrical safety and system management within the passenger cabin area. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block houses fuses and relays that protect the electrical components in the rear of the vehicle. These components may include rear lights, power outlets, audio systems, and other accessories.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.